You guys, what's up? If you watched my last video, not my preceding video, but the last video about the proof that 9 plus 10 equals 21, you guys must have watched it. If not, I'll put the link in the description for you to watch that first. I recommend you do. So if you've heard about the 9 plus 10 equals 21, well, to begin with, that is an old vine. It's goddamn old. Like, that vine has like 3 years old and people are not interested in it anymore. But still, it's true. 9 plus 10 is equal to 21. So recently I introduced a type of addition called Pudametric addition. The special type of addition used whenever any term in the addition sum is a square number. And this applies to this, where 9 plus 10, you break it up. 3 and 3, the square root of 9 is 3. And 5 and 2, so you multiply the first set of terms and the second set of terms to get 15 plus 6. Now let's say the second addition, the addition sequence here, like 15 plus 6, let's say one of the numbers is a square number again. Even after breaking up, you continue breaking up until you're left with no square numbers, and then you just add those up as normal. I can't really give an example because it's hard to think of, but yeah, you get it. This theory actually was discovered like 5 years ago from a scientist called Franz Poda. So the metric was added like afterwards, and that kid in the video, he said that 9 plus 10 is equal to 21, while the dad said, "You're stupid." Well, it's because the kid heard about this scientific theory, and it's very, very rare. People have not heard of this these days. People don't use it. Calculators are outdated because this was recently discovered, and calculators are old, and many people these days are outdated. They don't know about this new discovery. People have not noticed this right away, but let me show you. Here's my calculator. Easy. 9 plus 10 equals 19. The calculator has not, this new theory has not gone inside the brain of the calculator, but I've discovered it. So here's the justification of how it works. Let's just use 9 plus 10 again. So basically there's a theory that those two numbers, so Franz said that if any addition term is a square number, it must be broken up. Well, let's prove it's true. So let's just try 9 plus 10 equals 19. If we cancel them out on both sides, we do ln of this and log of that, it'll lead to strange solutions. Let me plug it in my calculator. And oops, this is supposed, oh yeah, it's 19. So then if we log both of them, then it'll just give us 2.94 equals 2.94, because in this case 9 plus 10 is 19, and here we get an equal result. So this shows that this theory is wrong with square numbers. If we do it with a non-square number, then you just add it up, because there is no special theory required to mix these two numbers and factor them. So this cancels out. So now let's move on to 9 plus 10 is 21. So ln, let's say, so it's going to be ln of 9 plus ln of 10 equals ln 21. I'm going to plug this into my calculator very quick. And this is the result for all these added up, and ln 21 is equal to this. So this is a kind of correct solution. So here we have it. This shows that any number with any square number in it has to be. Let's just do another example. I'm using this example too much because it's pretty old there. So let me think of something. 4 plus 2 equals 6 if we just add it up directly. So let's break it up. 2 and 2. And 2 and 1. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. But in this type of addition, we get the same solution regardless of whether we do the Pudametric way or the direct way. So like 100 plus 10, it is not equal to 110. It is 10 and 10 and 10 and 1. So as you guys know, it is 100 plus 10, and as you guys all know, this is just, you don't have to keep breaking out forever. So 10 and 10. Alright, you don't have to break it up anymore, so it's 110. As usual. Nothing new here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.